The application value of pre-gelatinized maize starch is to use its cold water viscosity to bond some powder substances without the need for heating. However, the viscosity of pre-gelatinized maize starch is greatly affected by temperature factors. During the gelatinization process of starch, the temperature increases sharply, and when the temperature rises to a certain value, the viscosity reaches its highest level. However, if the temperature continues to be maintained at a certain level, the viscosity decreases and the starch paste loses its viscosity. Pre-gelatinized maize starch is a processed starch that has a certain degree of thermal stability and can maintain its original properties at over 100 degrees. This starch is widely used in food processing, such as in baking, where it can withstand high temperatures above 160 degrees Celsius to ensure the quality and taste of food. In the pharmaceutical industry, pre-gelatinized maize starch can withstand high temperatures above 200 degrees Celsius, providing stable auxiliary materials for drug production. If the temperature exceeds a higher level, pre-gelatinized maize starch will carbonize and its bonding performance will decrease.